We are working on something new today. We are working on something old today and something new today. It is time for this car to come out. Maybe some of you don't even know what it is or forgot I had it. I'm genuinely not surprised at all. I forgot I had it. Anywho, we got the Mustang. I currently have a Hurt 4L80E automatic transmission in it. So that has to get addressed first. So what I did was I hit up American Powertrain and I got a manual. So this is a TKX from American Powertrain. Ballin'. Very exciting. This is going in the Mustang. Super excited, super duper. There's the bell housing. So American Powertrain is ridiculous. I had no idea that they were this fanatical, but they are. The entire underdash hydraulics kit. They give you like the flanges and the puck. This is a throwout slash a slave throwout combination. Beautiful, ridiculously nice. So I was just going to buy transmission, and then little did I know that they have every nut and bolt. Like, they even give you fluid. Here is the electronics for hooking up the speed sensor and reverse. This... nuts and bolts. What's this? A shifter? A Steeda shifter? Triax or something? What's this? Even a shifter ball. Yes, anywho, and it came with a bell. What's neat is with that bell, and looking at this, it looks like a Muncie or a T5. I mean, I guess it essentially does look exactly like one. Then what's also exciting is Tom, my fabricator friend, bought a GMT 800, a 03 regular cab short bed. And he had planned on getting rid of the 4L60E and doing a T56. So Thomas and I have manuals to install. Extremely excited. I was tripping over my words earlier. Actually, I screwed up like the beginning of the video. I took multiple takes. That's how nervous and excited I am, like a kid at Christmas getting the Nintendo 64. I'm the Nintendo 64 kid. Also, this is a Ram. I believe in a partnership. Ram makes these clutches for American Powertrain, but these are twin disc clutches. Same clutch, I think. I mean, they look exactly the same. I mean, I'm not going to reopen it, but these clutches look exactly the same. That would make sense. They're all LS. So it has the flywheel and the disc and a floater and a disc, etc. It has like all the shims in the world and stuff to set all the distances and runouts. And I'm going to be doing a lot of checking and then a lot of clutch dumping. So that's very exciting. Mustang. Gonna get this gear slammer. And then the rest of it's pretty much ready to go. Just got to once over it. I hooked up the boost controller and everything and went to... the boost controller was working great. And I had planned on getting on the dyno like that weekend or the next week after I sorted everything. And then transmission started doing funny things, making noise and going into limp mode. So I parked it for a wee to decide what I wanted to do with the transmission, and that's it. Man, I'm so excited to jam this stuff in here. I wish I could dump it out into second. Off the anti-lag, dump it into second, quick shift third, jump on the brakes. I promise.